Welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to cover polylines. And polylines, we touched on them a little bit in Modify Tools. Polylines are groups of lines and arcs that are joined together. So we could draw lines, arcs, etc. and use the join command to join them, or we could draw them as a polyline from the start. So if we were to draw, they work the same way. If we were to draw this from an origin point wherever we would like, say 6 inches to the 0, let's go 30 degrees and a length of 4. Then we can go an angle of 90 and 2. Now the hover works the same way. So if I hover this endpoint, again, don't click, but hover, come up, and then let that click in and close my lines. Now I have one thing. Now, if I offset this, let's say 1/4 of an inch, I can see that my corners are all closed. If this was not a polyline, that would not be the case. So if I explode this and offset 1/4, notice that my corners do not match up. So not only do I have to pick each piece of geometry and offset it, now I have to come back in and chamfer those together to get the corners to close. With a polyline, I wouldn't have that problem. Now, how do I get away from that? Well, let's say we p-edit this. Yes, I want to make it a polyline. I want to join all of these. Now this is one thing, and if I offset, let's say 0.5, and 0.5 again, 0.5 again, much faster. Another neat feature about polyline, PL is the keyboard shortcut. If I draw a line segment at 6, right click, I can put an arc in. So let's say I want to go a distance of 2, and now I can go back to drawing a line, hover my endpoint, and now I've kind of got that half of a popsicle stick looking shape. That is one piece of geometry. That's going to do it for Polyline. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks.